with CellBotics. I just wanted to kind of tell you guys a little bit about how I went from cell phone repair into gaming consoles. I came in and started learning how to do cell phones in CellBotics early 2019. And basically, I took that and I ran with it. I kind of learned how to do the cell phone repair in class and went and started building up my knowledge base on that, working in some different shops and things. And then we started in different shops would get in like game consoles. And then all of a sudden I'd see them take it in and I'd do an intake process with the customer and I'd be like, okay, we need to do it for about 72 hours. We'll call you when it's ready, that kind of thing. And then we take it in the back and we put a shipping label on it and send it to another place. And they would do the repair for us. And yeah, we would, when we priced it out, we would mark it up a little bit so that we would get some money off of it. And that's all fine and dandy, but we weren't making that money and I wasn't doing the repair. So I started thinking, I need to learn how to do this. So I kind of took my knowledge of cell phone repair and I started applying it to other things and I started learning other things. I had learned some very basic soldering things in class, so I had kind of gone and taken that and I literally ran with it. Now, the problem with the gaming consoles is that there is nothing out there to actually teach you how to do these repairs, okay? Everything out there is like a YouTube video or a forum, and that may work for some people, but a lot of things that you don't realize in those is that they're not showing you every single detail. A lot of them are made for people who already know what they're doing, have a basic understanding of what they're doing. So I started doing this and I would break things left and right. Everything was breaking, especially when I started trying to I was like, ooh, I can do HDMI port replacements. I can do this soldering. It's fine. It's just a little piece. I just got to solder it on there. And I would just break things left and right. And it was really just a trial and error experience. So I started doing them and learning how to do it, and I even went and was reaching out to some different like computer places and other local shops and some gaming places around town, and I was like, hey, I want to do your repairs for you. Like, I want to do these so that I would get that bulk and I would learn how to do it, okay? So I started doing all this and I really wanted to be able to teach people how to do this, okay? Because so many people out there are just shipping them off to business, okay? And it's something that you can do and you can make money off of if you're taught the right way, okay? So yeah, for me, like, I took my knowledge base and I built it and I was given the opportunity to really run with that, okay? So I've put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this, made a lot of mistakes, replaced a lot of consoles, and I learned the appropriate way to do things, okay? And that's kind of how I got into this, and that's why I'm going now and I'm doing this course, because there's nothing out there like this. There's nothing out there to teach you how to do console repair in your business, and there's nothing out there like this. It's a very unique thing. So I'm so excited to be launching this and being able to reach you guys on this level so that you guys can implement this into your businesses and you don't have to keep doing this business to business repair and you don't have to keep sending things off for it, okay? So I hope you guys really are serious about implementing this into your business, and I hope to see you in class real soon.